Welcome back. Today, in this video, our topic is the verb. Verb is one of the part of speech, so we are going to discuss verbs today. Now coming to kinds of verb. There are two kinds of verb and both the verbs are very important. The first one is transitive verb. Transitive verbs are very important. Transit means to move. The action of transitive verb passes over to the object. See the examples. She writes a letter. Can you see the object here? The writing process is passing the impact or the effect on the letter. So, we can see that action writing is passing over to the object letter. We can ask a question. She writes what? So the answer is a letter. Check out the next example. She teaches me. Who? She. So can you see the passing action on the object me? See one more example. Arjun kicked the ball. The verb kicked is transitive because the action is passes over to the object ball. In transitive verbs, we can ask questions like who, what, etc. Like, Arjun kicked what? The ball. So such verbs are called transitive verbs. After transitive verbs, we have intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs are those verbs in which the action of intransitive verbs does not pass over to the object. It goes back to the subject actually. Like, she cried a lot. Can you find any object here? No. The impact of the verb is going back to the subject. Who was crying? The subject, she. She came on time. Again, the subject is she and there is no object in the verb, in the sentence. Rahul laughed loudly. Again in the sentence, there is no object. So we can say that in transitive verbs, action is not being passed to the object. Most verbs can be used both as transitive and as intransitive verbs. So, therefore, better to say that a verb is used transitively or intransitively rather than it is transitive or intransitive. So, this is it for today's video. Keep watching, keep learning.